Right guys, it's Will here from zaltekreviews.com. I'm just doing a quick video today, a quick unboxing. You'll know what it is with the thumbnail and obviously the shape of the box, so let's get into it. Hold on a minute. Oh. Put that down there. There we go. Yep, another Christopher Ward. I actually bought this on a whim. Got an email on Friday, popped up and it said C60 limited edition, or special edition, limited to 350 pieces worldwide, and it was a 40mm C60 with a special dial and with the new logo at just below the 12 and the date is 6. I thought, oh, I'm having that, so I just bought it straight away, and it arrived this morning. I've already opened the package and that, but I repackaged it just for this video. I wanted to make sure that obviously the watch was in there and that. I mean, if you've never purchased a Christopher Ward recently in the last year, 2 years, the packaging's no change, but I'll go through it anyway. You've got what's in this again? Just a pamphlet thing, load of garbage. The owner's handbook, and I believe the warranty cards at the back, and I'm talking a lot of shite. Maybe it's at the front. No, I can't remember where it is. That's just a cleaning cloth. So where the fuck's the warranty card? Maybe it was in this thing. No. Where the fuck is the warranty card? It's normally at the back of the handbook for the ones I've had. That's just a cleaning cloth, as I said. No, I don't see anything cardish in here. Oh fuck's sake, I'll be here all day, man. I said I was going to make a quick 2-minute... Oh, I'll look for it later. Right, the watch. Already had all the plastic in that up just to check it. Then I put it all back in just so I could make this video. But this is how pretty much it arrived. Obviously the plastic was a bit better applied than I done it. And there you go. I'm not going to bother going into the specs or anything like that. It's 40mm with a stainless steel bezel. On bracelet. Obviously I gave Christopher Ward 10 quid to size it up for me, because I just can't be arsed with pinning collars. Might take me, what, 15 minutes or something to size it up. I mean, I can size it, but here's a tenner, just do it for me, so when I pull it out the box, it's going to fit my wrist perfect. And I don't have a watch on at the minute because I just taken this off recently. There you go. Let's zoom in a wee bit. There you go. It fits my wrist perfectly. It's got a short lug to lug. I think it's about 47. There you go. Let's give you a close up of the dial. As you can see, it's like a teal blue. A Fume dial disperses out to like black at the minute track. Colour match date wheel at 6. Woohoo! It's very nice, and even though it's a 600-metre diver, it's as slim as anything, man. It's not as slim as C63 Sealander, but obviously it's not going to be. But it's still slim, it's still under 13mm. I think it's like 12.6 or something like that. I don't know. When I do the full review, obviously I'll take all my exact measurements anyway. And it was just to give you a quick look. Just a quick video, quick unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodles. Found it. It was in the box.